Hello NTMP, welcome back to another video. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for tuning if today is your first time. For my old subscriber, thank you guys for your support and for your love. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing avocado butter. This butter can be used like when you use shea butter, mango butter, olive oil butter, and many other butter, more butter, to make a skin or hair moisturizer. The same way you can also use this to mix any butter you want to use to create anything. Welcome back guys. So first thing you are going to be needing to make this an amazing moisturizing and nutritional butter that you can use to create anything you want to create, to do a wiping shea butter mixed with any other thing, or you want to use this as avocado wiping butter with any other oil to give it that fluffiness or smoothness. You are going to need avocado fruit. I'm using avocado fruit. You can use anything to create this, but you have to know the way to mix and measure it. So avocado contains antioxidant. It contains a lot of mineral, essential fatty acid. It also contains biotin that help to strengthen hair growth, and vitamin A, B, and B5 and vitamin E, which is also amazing when it comes to your skin. This butter can be used on your skin, and it can be used for anything you want to use it for, like shea butter, like when you use coconut oil, or anything that you are trying to create something from. So I so much love this butter. I so much love the outcome because I found it was so moisturizing on my skin. You can also use it alone without mixing with anything. Okay, so first I'm going to use this my bigger blender to blend this, because last time when I made, I think that I've forgotten what I made in this same formula. So I made mistake by using my smaller blender. So for that reason today I'm using a bigger blender. You can use hand mixer, hand blender to do this, but I just want to really mix it well first. So while blending that, I'm going to come in with 250 grams of my shea butter. I'm using shea butter. You can use any butter as a base. You can use a mango butter. You can use, but I prefer shea butter because mango butter already have that seed as that's residue, that mango butter is not that smooth like shea butter. Okay, so I'm using shea butter because shea butter is my number one preferring. You can use any one you prefer. Because shea butter is another butter that is so full of moisture as well, because it contains also antioxidant. It helps to fight dry skin, raw skin, those flaking skin. It helps to also build to build and boost your skin moisture, and it also contains anti-inflammatory property, and they help to suit your skin against any skin problem. And that shea butter has a lot of amazing benefit and property in it. So that is why I choose shea butter, because the antioxidant in shea butter, it also helps to give elasticity to your to your skin against aging. So this is why I said you can use this butter direct on your skin, on your hair. But if you are sensitive to shea butter on its own, you can mix it like I do. I am sensitive to shea butter, raw shea butter directly on my skin or on my hair. No, on my skin no, but I mean on my hair because of my scalp issue. So for that reason, I always go mixing it with other things. So if I want to use this, I can go ahead and mix it with oil and other butter just to dilute that strongness of the shea butter. That's benefit in it that makes my hair, my scalp, to go that sensitive whenever I use it on my scalp. So just keep on blending. So I will just go like this to blend and blend until it's not going to come that too smooth. but this is just a way for you to get them all together to start the infusion through the blending process. So right now it has come to the state which I know I will say it's okay before I will go ahead to my next stage. But if you can blend it more than this to come that smooth, you can go ahead to do so. But because of the shea butter is so thick, so I have a little bit difficulty to get it that smooth. But it's okay. It's not, maybe it's having seed, but it's not that smooth like when you spread the butter. So I'm going to just dip it into this my bowl here. So that's it for now. So with the way it is like this, you can add some oil, just mix it thoroughly, whisk it, then you sieve it by pressing it with anything that can remove any residue. You can also use this on your head where it is like so, as a mask, as anything. So right now I am going to steam it until it dehydrates. It's going to dehydrate from all the let me say the liquid in this avocado. You need to dehydrate it. You can do this in the oven just like every other method of making avocado oil, but I would have go making it in double heat boiler like I did some time ago. I did some, but I didn't do the video anyway. I make it in the double boiling method, but it took me 2 hours to dehydrate it, so that is why I don't want to do that. So I wanted to cover it, then I will come time to time to check it. But remember, the flame is on low, I mean very, very low. Don't bother that's the rate of the bubbling. Is that the rate of the bubbling is because the heat has circulated all over, so for that reason it's just bubbling like so. But just let it to be the maximum, I mean the lowest, minimal, I mean I don't know what, anyway you understand what I mean. So let it be in the lowest flame, or you can do this in the oven, but I prefer doing it in this way, so you can be able to control how it's going to end up by stirring time to time. So when you put it in the oven, you can go ahead and be stirring it inside the oven. So right now it is ready. I just turn off my flame. So right now I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit, just 3 minutes, before we're going to strain it, because this is shea butter. Before it starts to turn into the natural state, so we are just going to allow it to cool just 3 minutes and no more than that. So from that, now we are going to sieve. So I will advise you to sieve with something that is going to remove, to the tiniest residue, because this is going to be a thing you want to make as a raw butter or butter on its own, not a wiping butter. So for that reason, you don't want it to have any residue inside this butter, because you're going to from here use it to make anything you want to make. Okay, so just go ahead and sieve it. I'm just going to stir it to facilitate it to go out before I will start to press. So I don't want to press yet, so just go ahead, do it your way anyway, but let it still be a little bit warm, because this is shea butter before it turns back to the nature of of the butter that it was. So right now, the next thing I am going to be doing after all after sieving. So I'm just going to pour it into this little bowl to keep it in the refrigerator. Not to, you don't need to keep it in the refrigerator after finish making yours, but this is just to facilitate to turn into, you know, the solid consistency of shea butter. But if not, you just leave it in that's in a room temperature, is definitely going to turn back into solid, you know, butter. But I just want to, because of the video reason, I just want to, you know, facilitate it. Then I'm going to come back when it has been solidified. So guys, as you can see at the middle, it's a little bit, it has different color because that place is still not solidified. So but really I just want to round up this video and do my thumbnail and all. So let me just show you how it look at the middle there. So anyway, don't worry, when it turn into let me say normal butter state, is going to look very solid. So later the one I kept turned solid like shea butter manner, and it's so beautiful. Check it guys, this is so moisturizing, the color is triggering me. So I hope you love this video. Please help to share this video to support my channel, and don't forget to give me a like. Thank you for watching. God bless you all as usual. Bye bye.